Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to get the watermark and the subscribe button in the right side of the YouTube video. If you have any issues with it, I'll show you how to fix it. So what you want to do is you want to go into your YouTube channel like this and go into your logo or your initial. If you don't have added your picture, you want to go to the YouTube studio like this. You want to go to customization, and here you want to go to branding, and here is the video watermark, and you can, it has to be 150 and 150, and you can just download it for free by going to Google and type in YouTube subscribe button and go to pictures, and there's a lot of it. You can see I use this one. So that's the first thing you have to do. The other step is that you need to go to settings, and you need to go to the channel, advanced settings, and you need to make sure that it says this one. No, this is not made for kids. I never upload contents that are made for kids. So make sure you have this one. If you're still having problems with your content, you want to go here to content and look up the video that has the issue. Let's see this, if it's this one, for example, and you want to make sure that it's also says made for kid, because it doesn't change it backwards. So if you have said yes to kids in some of your videos and you changed it otherwise in the main settings, it doesn't change it in the videos. And if you've done that a lot of times, let me show you a trick for making it of all of them. So you select it, I selected 30 now, and you push this edit button, and you can see audience, and here you can say no, it's not made for kids, and then update it. Then it will update all your videos at once. Hope this helps. Subscribe and like, and put a comment if you want questions for me, or there is a subject you need me to talk about. Hope you see you guys. Bye.